Assalamualaikum friends, it's me, your host Mamil Khan, and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is royatoken.com. So if you want to visit that site, I will also give the link of this site in my video description. You just need to go my video description, and when you click on the link, you will find out this page. This is the home page of the royatoken.com. So today I'm going to show you how we can connect our MetaMask with the PancakeSwap and how we can use PancakeSwap to buy the Roya token. So first of all, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my videos first. And before starting videos, I request you all to see my complete video without skipping, because today I give a complete review about the Roya token, and it will be a beneficial for you in future. So today we also discuss their roadmap, their airdrop application, their team, their contact and job application, and their social media. Because if you have any interest to invest their side, or if you have any interest to invest in their side or buy their token, so it is very necessary for you to follow and subscribe their social medias, because they give each and every update in their social medias, and you will be easily find out the way how you can generate a huge profit by using Roya token. So first of all, Roya token is the public sale of the Roya token is started. Roya token is a future token, don't miss it. And after this we discuss about their Roya token. What is Roya token? So if you click on the about us, you will find out this is information. So let's see. The birth of the Dreamer idea took place in 2019, and while thinking about how to do the project, we realized the difficulties. The biggest challenge was the fact that we could not do dream interpretation automatically. So we decided to set up a 500% network of live interpreters. Next, we established our company in Turkey, but unfortunately, due to the coronavirus epidemic surrounding the world, our project showed down considerable in this process. Since the crypto money regulation implemented in Turkey would prevent the use of the crypto in our application, we established a company in the USA and continued our project under the name of the World Mobile LLC in the USA. As a result, our goal is to make a live dream interpretation in Turkey and the Middle East market, and to create our payment infrastructure with our own crypto money. So after this is the little introduction about the Roya token. So after this, here you can see their social media also and their location. So after giving the little introduction about the Roya token, what is Roya token, we go to direct to their roadmap. So when you click on the roadmap, here you find out their roadmap, their plans that they set up according to their different phases. So what is the resolution? So sorry, this is a roadmap. So their birth, the idea of the birth is started in 2029, and the application and the token works in 2020, and the token pre-sale is started 2021, and the release of app and token will be in 2022. These are the plans that they set up in their roadmap. So after this we discuss about the resolution of the Roya token. The decentralized cryptocurrency is mass produced by entire cryptocurrency system at a publicly known rate defined when the system who create in centralized banking and the economic system such as the Federal Reserve System, corporate boards of government or governments control the money supply by issuing fiat currencies or requesting additions to digital banking ledgers. Roya token will provide us with a fast, secure and smooth payment infrastructure at the Dreamer. So here you can see their diagram, their play video. You can see their video about marketing, providers, application, and payments also. So after this, here you can see the airdrop application and the conditions about the Roya token. So number one is, before applying for an airdrop, follow our Twitter and Instagram account to the bottom of our website, and join our Telegram account to the bottom of our website before applying for an airdrop. So this is their condition to join their airdrop, and before applying for the airdrop, have a Roya token for a minimum of 0.1 BNB. Anyone holding this amount and above will be deemed to have won the airdrop if they meet to other conditions. So ROI token will be sent to the wallet address of the users who have won the airdrop in the form of 0.02 BNB. Airdrop distribution will be made in 1 month after listing on the exchange, and please do not write incomplete and or incorrect information. Those who write in complete or incorrect information will not be able to benefit from the airport drop, and the participation in the airdrop will run from 13th of August 2021 at the to October 13th of October 2021. So this is the 2 month of time. You have to keep the ROI token in your wallet until December 31st, 31 December of 2021. To participate in the ROI token airdrop, you need to download our iOS or Android application. If you don't download the app or download it and then delete it, you would not be able to earn airdrop. So you can submit your application here. Here you can write your token quantity, your email address, your wallet address, dream token, and you need to write your Telegram address, you need to write your Twitter address and your Instagram address. After giving these address, you just click on the submit application. So this is very simple way to join their airdrop. So after this, you can also see their team members here. So you can also see their head office owner of the ROI token and the ROIC application, and the World Mobile LCC Brazil head office CTO, and the Bahri Gor World Mobile LLC head office in London COO. So these are the team member of ROI token. After discussing about the teams, we discuss about the frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions are those questions that everyone should have in their mind if they have interest to buy their token. So these question and their answer are very necessary to know before purchasing their tokens. So here, if you want to contact with them or if you have any problem regarding their project, so you need to write your name, your phone number, email, and your problem or your about you, and submit application. This message directly sent to their team, and you can also join their social medias like Twitter and Telegram to find out any solution of any problem that you have regarding their project. So after discussing and after reviewing their complete website, we discuss about their chart. If you click on the PooCoin chart, just click on here. Then you will find out this chart. This is their chart. Here you can see that they start from very low, and now there is a very deep. If you this is a very golden chance for you. If you buy this in very few amount, then after some time when they reach at their peak level, then you will generate a huge profit by selling them. So this is their chart. Here you can see that if you want to buy it, just click on the buy on PancakeSwap. You will find out this page. This is the page of PancakeSwap. I already explained in my videos many times how we can connect our wallet with PancakeSwap and how we can buy any token with PancakeSwap in PancakeSwap. So you need to just click on the connect. When you click on the connect, you will find out two different wallet like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. You just need to click on the wallet that you want to connect with your PancakeSwap. So after clicking the MetaMask or Trust Wallet, this will be directly connected. Then after connecting this, you need to after connecting the wallet, you first need BNB in your wallet. If you don't have, just go and buy it because you can buy ROI token with BNB. Just select BNB at this place and ROI token at this place. Just write the amount that you want to swap with ROI token and swap it. So these token automatically added to your PancakeSwap, your MetaMask or Trust Wallet that you connect with the PancakeSwap. After discussing, if you want to get other information in detail, you just need to download their white paper because they have each and every information in their white paper and their audit report and log team. So after discussing, we discuss about the social media like Twitter. Here you need to click on the Twitter. You will find out the page of the ROI token in their Twitter account. Here you can see that they joined in January 2021. You need to just follow it and press the bell icon to see their each and every update first in your mobile or in your PC screen. So here you can also check their pin message and the other information regarding their project. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.